So you should have this out so you can check your answers, assuming you tried it. Right, I told you they were all not factorable. You had to use quadratic formula. So negative b plus or minus square root of b squared. Got that. That's 4 plus or minus square root of 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 8 is 64. 16 minus 64 is negative 48. 4. Well, I told you the easy way to think about it. Whenever you have the square root of a negative, just put an I at the end and do the square root like you normally would. Except we're doing exact answers here. We're not doing decimals on the calculator. So square root of 48, break that up. Remember this, 2 times 24. I think you guys went by 2s. 2 and 12, 2 and 6, 2 and 3. Bring out a 2, bring out another 2, root 3, so it's 4 root 3?
Yeah, we got the I.
So you got 4 plus or minus 4 root 3i divided by 4. We'll just divide them both by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So it's 1 root 3, which is just square root of 3i. There's your answer. 1 plus or minus square root of 3 times I.
4 divided by 4 is 1.
Got it right.
That's what you said?
Same thing on every single one. Negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4. 4 plus or minus the square root. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 13 is 72. 16 minus 72. Negative 56. Over 2. So 56. I get it wrong? Yeah?
4 times 13 is 52.
40. Oh, yeah, it's 52. 16 minus 52 is negative 36. Hey, that makes it easier. Square root of negative 36 is just 6i over 2. So you got 2 plus or minus 3i.
So when you get it to that point right there, you divide them both by 2?
Yeah.
So what does it say? What's the
The zeros. If you plug that in for x and work it out, you'll get 0. Or the roots. Roots and zeros are the same thing in math. 3 and 4 here. The same thing here. Negative b plus or minus. Let's see. 4 plus or minus. 4 times 4 is 16 times 5 is 80. 16 minus 80 is negative 64. Oh, I get you guys easy ones. Great. That's square root of negative 64 is just 8i. Great. So you have 4 divided by 8, 1/2 plus or minus I. Why the confused look?
Well, no, I didn't do the problem.
Okay. You didn't do them?
No, I'm not.
Bad students. Last one, big numbers.
You let's try this one.
B squared is 144 minus 4 times A times C. Okay, go try it. It'll be a race. I'll do it in my head, you do it with calculator.
You're like finished it by now.
Oh crap, that was hard. 36 times 148.
Huh?
Is it right?
Huh?
Is that right? It's not? You're supposed to be trying it, right? I'm just gonna keep going.
It's 5,
How the heck?
18, 5,184. You did that in bed?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I failed though. I was trying to do it without writing anything down, that's hard. If I wrote it down, it's easy. What's 144 minus 5,000? That's negative 5,040. Dude, Jenny, I was right.
Yeah, he was right. That's what I'm saying. He
It
was
was
right.
five, wasn't it five?
She already subtracted the one.
Oh, you already subtracted the.
Oh, yeah,
Oh.
That's what I did too.
I was like, I just checked it on the calculator to make sure. And I was just like, I was right.
Because I plugged in everything already. So I'm right.
Well, 144 minus that, okay.
Holy crap, so you did get it right.
I did.
That's crazy.
I got it.
So there's where you should get it, negative 5184. Now you gotta break it up. That's fun. Is it easy?
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, you got a calculator. I'm just gonna go by 2s and 3s. 2 times 20, 90. 2. 2 times 46. 5. No, 23.
Oh crap.
7, 10. That's not divisible by 2 or 3. Did I mess up?
Oh, I'm a, how was
Yeah, I messed up somewhere.
Yeah, you did. On the first one.
First one?
Yeah.
What?
This is a horrible video. They were watching, like, what are they doing? Oh, yeah.
It's 2, 5, 9.
2 5.
Nothing.
So that makes that different. 1250.
1296.
Can they even see that on the video?
Yeah, they can see it.
648.
As long as it's in HD.
It's like this one.
And then 324. 162.
Oh yeah.
81.
Oh, I got it from there. 81's 9 times 9. So let's see. 2. Another 2. Another 2. And a 9. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 8. 72. Hey, it works out. You could have just done the square root of 5184. Dang.
You see what's gonna change square root of five?
Huh? It works out to just 72i.
That's not always like that, is it?
up. It's not always like that, but that's the first thing you should check. And then divide those both by 18. 12 divided by 18 is
That's stupid.
2
Wait, what's
thirds.
72? Where do you
72 over
The
18
square
is
root of 5,184.
I.
I did it wrong.
There's the final answer. A lot easier with the calculator. I was just
Is that your final answer?
yeah. That's the final answer.
Is that correct? Yeah.
Pretty sure. That's it. Okay, so you might wonder, why do you have to write your answer like that?
Well, it's a long time. That was pretty fun.
Now you can do it.
Because that
Plug in a negative number.
is called a complex number. What is that, you ask? Good question.
What is that?
Well, I was thinking about it, and I was like, I don't think you guys even remember all the types of numbers. You learn it in 8th grade, but you probably don't remember, but you should. So we're going to talk about them, and you'll be required to know them. throw them on some kind of quiz. These are all real numbers. Naturals, whole numbers, integers, rationals, and irrationals. We'll define each one here. You probably know what a whole number is. Maybe. What's a whole number? Any number that doesn't have a decimal. That is incorrect. That is positive. Now it's correct. We'll start with natural though. Natural numbers? Not any number, no.
That's positive.
They have to be positive.
Yeah.
They can't have decimals, can't have fractions. Fractions and decimals, same thing. It's just written a different way.
Even whole, positive
The whole numbers are all positive. Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, on and on and on and on. No decimals. Those are whole numbers.
What's the natural number?
What's natural number?
It was grown in the woods.
Yes. How many trees can you count, Jay?
A lot. All of them.
And then you can.
You can count 1 tree, you can count 2 trees, you can count 3 trees, you can count 4 trees, you can
Whole
count 5.
numbers.
Yeah.
If it's like whole numbers, the only difference is, can you count 0 trees?
No.
Nope.
No.
So there's no 0.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4,
It's
5.
grown naturally.
On and on.
Exactly.
No decimals. Integers. You know what integers are? Still no decimals, but
They can be positive or negative.
they can include the negatives. So you got 0, 1, 2, 3, on and on and on all the way up, and -1, -2, -3, on and on all the way down.
Those numbers are just all the numbers. That's not decimal.
Yeah, any number that's not a decimal is an integer. See how the list just gets bigger and bigger? I kind of wrote them in order. Rationals.
Anything that doesn't have imaginary numbers.
Nope.
It's
Are
like
you
rational.
number? So whole numbers don't have decimals, right? It's a
Nope.
number that